Welcome back. Now, Canva also allows you to output your content into a website. And what you can do is you can go to this drop-down menu, and you're going to see that as of the recording of this video, the website link is going to be considered to be a beta feature. So we're going to click this link that says website, and that's going to bring us to this page. And basically, we're publishing into a responsive website. Now we can determine what kind of style that we want. We can have a scrolling website, and Canva will show you what that looks like. We can also have a classic navigation website where we're going to have pages. Now obviously, since this is a multi-page website, our website would have pages. We can also then have a standard website, which is going to be one single page with a navigation bar. In this case, we're going to click Open Website. And you'll see our website here. What they'll then be able to do is they'll then be able to take that link, place it inside of their web browser. They'll then be able to see our website then. So basically, you'll be able to output your content into a site that you can give the link to others. Now the link is going to be part of a Canva website. However, you can output the content very quickly so that people can view your site in their browser. They can also do the same inside of their mobile device and browser. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.